You don't need a pill to live longer. Your body already has 3 hidden switches for self-repair that most people never turn on. They've been there all along, built into your cells, quietly deciding whether you age fast or stay young, whether your heart weakens or stays strong, whether your mind fades or remains sharp. But here's the truth. These switches don't depend on your genes, money, or medical breakthroughs. They depend on how you live every single day. And the best part? 3 Nobel-Prize-winning discoveries have revealed exactly how these internal systems work and how you can activate them naturally. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what scientists now call the body's longevity code. You'll learn how your DNA protects itself from aging, how your cells clean themselves from the inside out, and how your body rebuilds new life every night while you sleep. Because living past 100 isn't a miracle. It's biology, and you already have the blueprint. Inside every cell of your body, there's a tiny clock quietly ticking. But it doesn't hang on a wall. It sits at the end of your DNA. These end caps are called telomeres, protective shields that keep your genetic material from fraying, like the plastic tips on a shoelace. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres grow a little shorter. And when they become too short, the cell stops dividing and begins to age. This is what scientists call biological aging, the true measure of how old your body really is, not just what your birthday says. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, who won the Nobel Prize in 2009, discovered an enzyme called telomerase that can rebuild and lengthen these telomeres, a natural repair system that slows down cellular aging. Her discovery changed everything. It proved that aging isn't only about time, it's also about how you live. Stress, poor sleep, processed food, sugar, smoking, and alcohol act like sandpaper, wearing your telomeres down faster. But a calm mind, nutrient-rich food, daily movement, and deep rest do the opposite. They protect and rebuild. In one UCLA study, caregivers for Alzheimer's patients, some of the most stressed people imaginable, practiced only 12 minutes of meditation per day for 8 weeks. Their telomerase activity increased by 43%. That's not psychology. That's biochemistry, healing that begins at the DNA level. If you're in your 60s or 70s, think of your telomeres as candles on a birthday cake. The calmer the wind, the longer they burn. Every slow breath, every night of deep sleep, every colorful meal, they all whisper the same message to your cells. Stay young a little longer. Telomeres remind us that aging isn't punishment, it's communication. Your body is always listening. The question is, what are you telling it today? Inside your body, billions of tiny workers clean, repair, and rebuild every single day. But over time, just like any home, clutter begins to build up. Damaged proteins, broken cell parts, and molecular waste that slow everything down. So how does your body handle it? Through an incredible process called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. This discovery, made by Nobel Prize winner Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi in 2016, revealed one of the body's most elegant survival systems. When nutrients are low, or when the body is under gentle stress, like during fasting or exercise, your cells switch to a self-cleaning mode. They begin to recycle old, damaged material and use it to build new, healthy components. Autophagy is your body's built-in reset button. It clears away waste, reduces inflammation, and protects against diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, diabetes, and even cancer. It's the reason why people who live in long-lived cultures like Okinawa often practice habits that give their bodies time to rest and recover. But here's the catch. Most of us never let autophagy do its job. We eat from morning till night, snack between meals, and rarely give ourselves a moment to breathe. To reactivate this self-repair system, you don't need extreme diets. You just need space between meals. That's why intermittent fasting, such as eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for 16, can be so effective. After about 14 hours without calories, your body stops focusing on digestion and starts focusing on repair. Gentle movement helps too. A brisk walk, stretching, or light exercise signals your cells to recycle and rebuild. It's like telling your body, let's clean up and start fresh. People who live simply often practice this without realizing it. They eat until they're satisfied, not stuffed. They move daily, rest deeply, and rarely graze on constant snacks. Their bodies spend less time processing and more time healing. Autophagy reminds us of something profound. Sometimes health isn't about adding more. It's about giving your body permission to pause, so it can take care of the work only it knows how to do. Every second, trillions of tiny machines inside you are working without pause. They are called ribosomes, and they build every strand of protein that keeps you alive. Proteins are more than food. They are your enzymes, your hormones, your muscles, your immunity. Without ribosomes, none of this could exist. Nobel laureate Dr. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan mapped these factories in stunning detail and revealed how they read your DNA's instructions letter by letter to create life. But just like any workshop, when conditions are poor, too much stress, too little sleep, or too many calories, mistakes start to happen. Damaged or misfolded proteins begin to pile up, slowing the body and accelerating aging. The key to keeping ribosomes efficient isn't magic, it's balance. When you eat moderately, sleep deeply, and move daily, these tiny builders stay precise and productive. Research shows that gentle calorie moderation reduces cellular stress and allows ribosomes to work cleanly, extending both lifespan and health span. Protein quality matters too. Whole eggs, fish such as salmon, beans, and nuts supply the raw materials ribosomes need. Pair that with strength training, even light resistance bands or bodyweight squats, and your cells receive a signal to grow stronger, not weaker. Each workout tells your ribosomes, build more, repair faster. Sleep is the final ingredient. While you rest, ribosomes do their heaviest construction work, rebuilding tissue, producing enzymes, renewing the brain. Miss that nightly window, and your factories shut down before the job is finished. Think of ribosomes as the craftsmen of longevity. Feed them well, let them rest, challenge them gently, and they will keep your body in repair for decades longer. Telomeres, autophagy, and ribosomes. 3 different systems, yet all working together like a perfect orchestra inside your body. Telomeres guard your DNA, protecting it from damage. Autophagy clears away the old and broken parts so new life can grow. Ribosomes rebuild what's missing, creating fresh cells, tissues, and energy. Each one depends on the other. When you protect your telomeres through calmness and clean food, autophagy functions better. When autophagy keeps your cells clean, ribosomes can build stronger proteins. And when ribosomes build well, your whole system becomes more resilient, less inflamed, more youthful, and full of steady energy. This is why a long, healthy life isn't found in a supplement bottle or a doctor's prescription. It's found in rhythm, in how you live each day. Eat slowly, sleep deeply, move gently, laugh often. These simple patterns of living are how you turn on your body's Nobel-winning design. Your body already knows how to heal. It knows how to renew. It's done it since the day you were born. All it needs is the right conditions to remember. So tonight, give it rest. Tomorrow, greet the sun, breathe slowly, and eat what nature made, not what factories built. Every mindful choice you make is a quiet message to your cells. Keep going, keep rebuilding, keep me alive and well. Science has confirmed what wisdom has whispered for centuries. Longevity is not about adding years to life, but adding life to your years. You already have the tools within you. Protect your telomeres, activate your autophagy, empower your ribosomes. Together, they form your body's greatest secret, the ability to live long, live strong, and stay young from the inside out. So how do you put all of this into practice starting today? It's not about perfection, it's about rhythm. Small daily patterns that quietly tell your body, I'm ready to live well. Here are 5 simple ways to activate your body's 3 Nobel switches, telomeres, autophagy, and ribosomes, without medication or complicated routines. 1. Eat colorful, real food. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. Add good fats from olive oil, avocado, or fish. Eat less sugar and processed food. Every clean bite is a message of renewal to your telomeres. 2. Give your body breaks. Try a gentle fasting rhythm, like the 16-8 method. Eat within 8 hours, rest for 16. Or simply stop eating 3 hours before bed. During those hours, your cells switch on autophagy, the self-cleaning mode that keeps you young. 3. Move your body every day. You don't need a gym. Walk, stretch, do light strength exercises. Movement triggers your ribosomes to build stronger proteins, sharper muscles, and a more resilient heart. 4. Sleep like it's medicine, because it is. Deep, consistent sleep is when your ribosomes rebuild tissue, your telomeres repair, and your mind clears waste. Protect those hours. They are the foundation of youth. 5. Quiet your mind. Stress is one of the fastest ways to age your cells. Practice slow breathing, gratitude, or just silence for 10 minutes a day. Even a small pause can lengthen your telomeres and calm your hormones. Longevity isn't luck. It's a rhythm, one you create with the choices you repeat. Every meal, every breath, every restful night tells your cells how long to keep thriving. So as you move through your day, remember this. Your body isn't waiting for a miracle. It is the miracle, built with 3 Nobel secrets that can help you live past 100, with clarity, vitality, and peace. Eat with joy. Rest with purpose, live with balance, and let your cells do what they were born to do. Keep you alive, strong, and young at heart. If this message inspired you, give your body the care it deserves. Start with one small habit today: a walk, a slow breath, a mindful meal. Your body already holds the code to long life. You just have to turn it on. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to VitaliQ Senior Health for more science-based ways to stay strong, mobile, and youthful at every age. And remember, you don't need to chase longevity. You're already built for it. Let's keep unlocking it, one day at a time.